Hey there mga my loves, Aries! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang reading nito, reminders na hindi po ito for all. Kaya naman piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo, then this reading might really para sa'yo. So tingnan natin, no, Aries in love, Aries in love. So let's see, wala tayong gender dito mga babes at timeless din. It is. So, Spirit Angel, guys, or Angel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please tell me something about Aries in love? Aries in love. Spirits and Angel, guys, messages for Aries in love. What's with Aries in love? Okay, thank you. Oh, Aries, let's see. We have here the free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. We also have here the give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Okay. We also have here the be assertive. It looks like the universe is giving you the key, that big key. Yeah, it's a key, but it looks like a mask. That is a masquerade. Yan. Sa mga shala-shala. Ng mga pa-event. Yan. No? So, we have here the helpful people. Stay optimistic about your love life. Okay, positive thinking and faith will bring your romance. And we have here the no. Okay. Bottom of the deck, we have here the wait and their soulmate. Oh. Oh, wow. Beautiful. So, Aries, looks like you've been bruised, no? Sobrang naging bugbog sarado ka, no? Sa pag-ibig ang iyong heart, no? Nasaktan kayo, yun ibig sabihin, no? Yung idiomatic expression, no? Bugbog ang inyong puso, no? Nasaktan kayo rito, no? Ng taong binigyan mo talaga ng sarili mo rito. Pagmamahal, you gave your all of whoever this person is, Aries. But it's time for you to free yourself now. It's time for you to free yourself now. This give your relationship a chance right here doesn't mean in this reading na bigyan mo ng pagkakataon ulit yung ex mo. Okay? This means you give yourself a chance to love once again. This is what this means. Okay? Because you have to free yourself. Matagal kang nakakulong no, or nasadlak no, sa klase ng pag-ibig rito na imbes na magpaligaya sa'yo, no, ibinigyan ka ng maraming dahilan upang ikaw ay lumuha, masaktan at mabigo. So, ibig sabihin ng give your relationship a chance together with this free yourself is that you have to free yourself now into this kind of unhealthy or toxic relationship that you had with your past life. Yeah, I can see you here, okay, that this key, no, na parang mask right here has something to do with weight. Okay? Universe is telling you to wait kasi mayroon silang ibibigay sa'yo rito. Okay? And maybe this is not yet the right time for them to reveal it to you with the no. But the universe is giving you this key, and with that mask in there, no, design ng key is parang mask. It has something to do with you have to be healed pa. Kailangan gumaling ka pa rito. Kasi di ba pag magaling ka, no, bumabalik rito yung sigla mo, yung confidence mo sa sarili mo, no? Tumataas yung confidence mo, yung self-esteem mo rito, no? Kailangan mo muna ritong tuluyang mag-heal. We have here the free yourself. Kailangan mo muna rito mag-self-care, self-love, no? Kailangan mo muna rito mga babes, no? Na matutunan rito na makita yung sarili mo, no? In a different light. Kailangan mo munang mabawi dito, no? Yung trono mo na nilagay mo itong past person mo sa pedestal, no? Pwede kasi yung iba sa inyo, naging sentro pa ito ng buhay ninyo, pero kasi buhay ninyo ito, Aries, no? Kailangan ninyong bawiin yung crown, no? Angels and spirits are telling you, okay, na bawiin mo yung sarili mo ritong manibela sa pagpapatakbo sa buhay mo. Yeah. You have here helpful people. See? Universe right here, okay, is giving you this opportunity, no, na ramdamin mo, no, yung presensya ng mga taong tunay na concern sa'yo, tunay na rito may pag-aalala at may pagmamahal para sa'yo. Sila, yung pamilya mo, yung mga best friends mo, no, na kahit tagal mo ng best friends since childhood, since high school, since kindergarten, may mga ganyan, or matagal mo na rito mga nakakasama sa trabaho, no, yung iba, no, halos pamilya mo na. Yung iba, pamilya mo talaga. These are the helpful people right here. Okay, so the universe right here is telling you, no, na bibigyan nila, no, mga babes, no, ng karapatan ang mga tao sa paligid mo rito. Gagamitin sila bilang instrumento upang ikaw ay makabangon, upang ikaw ay makamove on. So, maaring makakuha ka ng mga imbitasyon rito na, uy, Aris, tara, labas tayo. Uy, Aris, tara, punta tayo rito sa trip na to or sa vacation na to. Ang ganda dito. Yan, no? So, you're gonna be, okay, mga babes, na receiving this kind of invitation from your friends, family members. Tara, bakasyon tayo ron. Ang ganda dun sa lugar na yun, yan, no? Kasi sila ang mga instrumento dito ni universe para matulungan kang mag-move forward sa buhay mo, no? Para makita mo rito yung worth mo, para makabangon ka ulit at makita mo na ay, ang ganda pala ng life. At yung pinagdaanan mo dun sa yung past relationship is just a roller coaster ride, no? Na may katapusan din, no? Yung kaba, no, yung parang pagkaantag nito, yung parang pagkatakot mo, no, sa isang relationship, di ba? Ikaw ba na first time mo sumakay na roller coaster, di ka natakot? Yung parang gusto mo mama, baba na ako, ayoko na. Yan, no? So, may katapusan din yan. Kasi nakita ko roller coaster, no? So I have to mention. So whatever the case may be, I can see here, no, that your angels and spirit guides right here want you to heal first, want you to take care of yourself first, no. Gusto mo nila mag-glow up ka, no, kasi prepare ka nila rito, no, sa taong nararapat sa buhay mo. Okay, remember, you are attracting what you are. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mong mapunta sa isang energy kung saan ikaw ay sobrang healed at okay na, no? Yung sobrang mahal mo na yung sarili mo and you're attracting someone here. Ito yun eh. Stay optimistic about your love life. Ito yun mga babes eh. You're attracting someone here which is a total reflection of your same energy. Parehas kayo ng pananaw sa buhay at nakikita kong magkakasundo kayo, no? This could be somewhat a strong soulmate connection because it's showing up right here. And what I love about this is that this is your truth, mga babes. Espada na tong tinataas ni universe rito, no, Aries? Now, this is your truth. Okay, you have to wait for this one. Kasi, this is manifestation. Binibigyan ka rito ng laya ni universe na ma-attract mo rito, no, yung taong gusto mo na talagang may ganitong characteristics, ganitong katangian, ganito, kahit pati yung physical appearance, no, posible mo yung ma-attract. Kung sino yung ideal mo rito gustong ma-attract, you can attract that person here. Okay? So, the universe wants you to wait because that is your truth. Yun ang nga nireveal ko na sa inyo. Because your soulmate right here is coming. Yes, this is your soulmate. Yan, no? Sa mga nagulat dun sa pagsabi ko ng yes, no, ako rin nagulat, no, nung sinabi ko yun. And with the children right here, okay, this is not for everybody, no, itong children na ito, no, pero maaaring meron dito single mom or single dad, no, bibigyan kayo ulit mga babes, of course, hindi kayo exempted, no, mabibigyan kayo ng pagkakataon na magmahal at mahalin, no. This person coming into your life, if you're a single mom or single dad, this person will love you, especially, okay, tatanggapin niya rin yung anak mo. No? At aariin niya na parang kanya. Yan, no? And for others of you in general with the children right here, this person here is actually parang bata. Or baka mukha siyang bata, no? Young looking siya. Or baka mas younger siya sa'yo. Yan, no? And you're gonna meet this person, a year from now. So, I'm getting more likely that with the help of your loved ones right here, you're gonna free yourself totally from this mess of the past, no? Tutulungan ka nila mag-shadow work na ayusin ang sarili mo. Tsaka, meron ka dito aabangan, young looking. Yan, I'm hearing papable, ah. So, pwedeng attractive siya with the word papable, no? And with the soulmate, this is your perfect match, honey. This is your perfect match right here, Aries. So, what I'm picking up more likely is that, yan, no? Huwag mong tanggihan, no? Kapag inaaya ka ng mga friends mo dito, tara, labas tayo, tara, punta tayo doon, or sabihin ng mom mo, tara, mag-grocery tayo, naging ganyan, or whatever, no? Sama ka, okay? Kasi they're helping you na makaalis na, no? Kasi the more na nagmumukmuk ka, the more na hindi mo rin nare-release dito yung pain, no? At saka they're helping you, no? Nailabas mo yung lahat, no? Pwede mga friends mo tutulungan ka pa, no? Kunyari, mag-hiking kayo, sabihin mo, sige bes, isigaw mo dyan, no? Ayoko na sa'yo, ex! Ayoko na sa'yo! Yan, no? Ganon. So, whatever the case may be, these people will help you because sila ang instrumento ni universe, no? Para yan, no? Nagmi-meeting, tela mo, parang meeting ito, no? Yan, no? The universe is meeting right here, having a meeting right here, no? Para matulungan kang makamove on sa iyong life. So, beautiful! A year from now, you're gonna be reunited right here at kapag mas mabilis kang nakapag-heal, mahal, nakikita ko, no, na wala pang a year from now, papasok na tong tao na to sa buhay mo. Yeah, this is your perfect match, honey. This is your total reflection right here. So, thank you so much, Aries. Love and life, and stay positive when it comes to your love life. Saranghe!